Let me introduce myself. I'm Santosh. She is my wife Deepthi, and my daughter Ekaparnika, and my newborn son. Still, I have not kept his name. Okay. Uh, Today, I don't know why we are in Kangaroos. Basically, I think on the November 14th, my wife was carrying, and she was 6.5 month. It was somewhere around 25. On medically, they say 25 weeks or something kind of a thing. So medically, she went with an rapture or something they called. They called it is like something. She went with a rapture or something, and we went to our normal, the regular gynecologist. Uh, she stays nearby there, and she told it's a rapture, and the baby has to be delivered now, and it will be premature baby. So I was bit tensed, to be frank, and I don't know what to do. Happened everything. I inquired with a lot of other pediatricians or some kind of things. So she was there for 8 to 9 days on a bedridden, and this time I think I had a few days where I used to go. I visited a lot of hospital, to be frank. I went on visiting a lot of hospitals where they named where had their good NICUs. They said the baby has to be kept for NICUs for almost for 1.5 months to 2 months, they said, and you need to have the best hospitals. So I went on visiting the best hospitals everywhere. I think wherever I went there, I used to find something like I used to go meet the doctors, and they used to give. I think instead of I used to explain my whatever the scenario, my wife was there, and when it will be the baby will be delivered, everything. So they used to show the PPTs and say how the babies do from 24 to 28 weeks and post 28 weeks, how it happens, all these things. I didn't find any of the like hopes. It was like there is to be a question mark. Finally the day has come on, I think 23rd of November it was. So my gynecologist said that we need to today somehow today or tomorrow we need to deliver, and we need to find the which is the hospital you have finalized. So I was about to go and visit some other hospitals. Suddenly she told there is one hospital which is nearby to your home, that's in Vijayanagar. It's a new Kangaroo Care. Actually this hospital, I used to pass by this way all the way because I studied just opposite to this hospital. So I used to pass on this way, and I never felt matlab, what is this new hospital, I find new hospital, whatever it is. Then finally she told there is a good feedback about this hospital. One of our colleague, senior doctor, baby was a premature baby with 26 weeks or something, and it is fine now, she told. So on the day on Friday, Thursday, I just rushed here. Somehow I met I think the main person, Sheikha Subaya. So I went, I explained the scenario. That what happened is he never showed the PPTs. He said, "Leave it to me. Don't worry about it anything. So rest all I'll take care. You don't worry. It's I've handled much earlier babies, so don't worry. So I'll handle it." So it was like I never had hopes. Other hospitals used to doctors used to give all PPDs kind of a thing. This has happened, this will happen. But he said, "Leave it to me." That's a hopes I had. So finally I shifted here. So the same day, I think after scanning and all, they wanted to deliver at 10:30. They delivered. Then they said the baby is fine. And normally other hospitals used to say for me that some 8 to 10 days it should be on a ventilator kind of a thing. Normally on a human being on a ventilator, it is like normal for anyone. We find very difficult. Matlab, any person is on human being on a ventilator is like seeing them, or that situation would be very odd to listen or something. So here they said we don't put on a ventilator, though it was entirely different. They said we'll put on a CPAP, and that too for some 4-5 days, I think 6 days. So they discharged my wife after 3 days. So after that the NICU, the day they delivered and they shifted to NICU. I think they have taken very well. I think it is now almost 47 days where I'm getting my baby discharged. The NICU team is very nice, to be frank. I think I know few of the sister names, Riju, Ranju, Anju and all. I think they used to give the better explanation every day, what is happening to the baby and what is there. And I used to visit once. Actually, I was free. Speaking to Shekhar and even Ram Priya and all, I never had a this thing. I should come, I should sit here. They never made me to be panic any day. It was like easy going. I think now I will be thinking how I will take care of the baby inside my home. Here it was very free. I think I extended 2-3 more days extra also. And initial stages I didn't had an insurance. It was my I wanted to pay through cash or whatever it is there. Then he said this will be the around bill. I think it is, if you compare with all other hospitals, I think it is not so expensive. It is very good. And on this side of the area, I think near to all this Vijaynagar or Nagabavi or anything, I think this is a good corporate hospital to be for baby and for delivery and baby care. It is very fine, and the team is very nice, and the billing team or anything, I think I didn't get any pain from any of the team. Whenever we came, they used to explain, they used to have a patience to explain each and every point of any line item which I ask very precisely. So what is this, what is that? So they used to explain when it was given, for what it was, everything. I think even doctors, I think Shekhar and Rampriya did a fantastic job. They used to give an updates very clearly every day without making us panic or anything. Finally, I had a very good experience here. So even the KMC, whatever they did, and I think they given few classes over here for her, for I think to how to take care of the baby in future at home or whatever it is there. They have, I think, some basic classes they have given. It's a very for both. They even they told me to go on training and all. It was a fantastic, to be frank. Within whatever the budget, even at the initial stages, I thought of how expensive the other hospital. I think it is not so expensive, and all the facilities you have got, the corporate facilities or whatever it is there, the facility is very nice. The canteen, you take the canteen from anything it is very nice, from the parking to anything. We will never feel that it's like, it is not like a kind of an hospital, to be frank. We feel that we are in an at home or a star hotel. That's a feedback I can give. And the team, I think NICU is, I should be very much thankful to the NICU team. They have taken care of the baby very well. I think I'm surprised. The way the born weight to the discharge weight is very drastically improved. And even I think they didn't use lot of other things where ventilations, or they never made us so much of panic, to be frank. And it was a normal procedure. They used to explain everything. I'm happy with Kangaroo to be this thing. And even, in fact, I have referred my cousins in future. I think they are going to deliver the babies. So next 3-4 months, I told them to go and pre-book here, because I find on this area in the Bangalore North kind of a thing, towards from Magadi Road to, I think, Malleshwaram or anything, you can find the best hospital, whichever it is there. This is what my feedback about the Kangaroo care.